We are going to start the new chapter, fourth chapter, tick, tick, tick. Yesterday, I had given a home activity, asked your parents how to identify the time and everything. So, clock problems we will do later. First, let me do some easy topics, easy questions which are known to you. What is the date today? What is the date today? Today's date. What is the date today? 9th July
7.
2021.
9th July 2021.
Today's date is, don't write anything. Don't write anything. When I say write, then all, otherwise just listen. Today's date is 9th July 2021. Yesterday it was 8th July, tomorrow 10th July. We know this. So this is the date. But there is a procedure, there is a standard format to write the date. We can't write the date as our wish. We have to write in a proper way. You have to write like this. DD means date. Then MM means month. Then year. This is the standard format of writing any date. What is the meaning of this? Today date is 9, but DD means 2 digits. So you have to write 09. Today date is 09 slash month. Which month this is? Month. What do you mean by month? See, I have written 12 months here. January means first month. February means second month. March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. You have to remember the order. 5th month, 6th month, 7th month, 12th month, like this. Now, this is July. July means 7th month. Write 07. Don't write single digit, write double digit. Then followed by year. That is 2021. This is the method to write any date in the standard form. 2 digits.
Sir, we have to write this.
I have told you that I will tell. Till that time, please wait. Don't disturb the class. I have told you that I will tell, then only you have to write. Why always asking? Listen. So whenever a date is given, if you want to write the date in the standard form, then this is the method to write the standard form. First, you have to write the date. First date compulsory. Order you have to follow. Don't interchange the order. If you interchange, month will become date, date will become month, everything goes wrong. First write date, that too a 2-digit number, not 1-digit number. Month, also a 2-digit number, but 7 is only single digit, no? Write 07. Year 2021. This is the method to write the date. I think this is clear. If this is clear, then we will do some problems here. Is it clear to you how to write? First, you have to write the date, then month, then year. To identify, date is okay. Month means you have to give the number. Which month, which number, this you have to remember. So now, all of you write this table. If you write this table, with the help of this table, we will do some problems. Okay? You can copy this table. Month and a number. Which month? Take the table, then let us do the problems. First take this 12 months and numbers. Take on the table this. Now let us answer one by one. 3rd July 1975. How to write this? 3rd July. July 1975. You can write like this also. You can write.
Sir, this one in notebook.
Yes, you have to start doing this in notebook. First, take this table, 12 months numbers. Take this in a notebook. Then start doing one by one.
Okay, sir.
Mute yourself. So much noise is coming in the background. Please mute yourself. Don't disturb the class.
Okay, sir.
25th November 2003. 25th date, month, November month, 11, year 2003. Read the question carefully. Month, date first, then month, then year. Write in order. You are not supposed to change the order.
Sir, now we have to write.
Yes. Question number 1. A, B, C, D, so on to up to J. I did 2 questions. Start doing the problems. If you are not getting, you can ask me.
It's 101 dash
Mute yourself.
0.
Who is that shouting?
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
That is right, sir.
Mute yourself.
No, sir.
You have to do
I
all
mean
these questions.
That is right.
Which one?
Oh, easy. I can do myself. 3/0. slash
Right, sir.
197.
If any date you are not getting, you can ask me. March 2001. March means third month. Year means 201. First 4 questions are direct. After that, little typical questions are there, which will test your memory power. If A, B, C, D are done by all the students, I will erase this.
No, sir.
A, B, C, D are done.
No, no. No.
Okay. It's very simple. Date you have to write, then month you have to write, then year you have to write. Slash can be kept, dash can be kept. Choice is yours. Generally, slash we prefer. You can keep dash also. Keep quiet.
Good morning, sir.
Who is that very late telling good morning?
Sir, C. Avantika over, sir.
Okay.
Sir, Sricharan over, sir.
Sir, your screen not.
Sirvenela completed,
Sir, your screen not.
Check your connection, net connection. Next is your date of birth. So your date of birth, you may be knowing that. So whatever your date of birth, please write in the order, date, month, and year.
Sir. That's already over, sir.
If it is done, keep quiet. Don't shout.
Sir,
Yes. Why?
please write second one, sir.
Huh?
Second one,
What second one?
please. Second question, sir.
We are doing first question. Don't be in hurry. Wait. You have done fine. Keep quiet. Don't
Sir,
disturb the class.
I'm in.
Okay. Ye is your date of birth. Whatever your date of birth, write that in a particular order. What about F? What is the Independence Day?
Sir, fourth one, right, sir. Sir, fourth one, right, 15th August, sir.
When we got the independence? When we got the independence?
August. Sir.
15 August, sir.
August, sir. 1947.
15th August 1947. This is the date when we got the independence, and every year 15th August we celebrate as Independence Day. If you write this in the standard form or short form, what will be the answer? 15 August. August means month number 8. 8, 1947. This is the Independence Day.
Okay, sir.
Republic Day. If Independence Day is done, then guess Republic Day. National festivals one should know without fail. When is the Independence Day? When is the Republic Day? Children's Day, Gandhi Jayanti. All these 4 days one has to remember without fail. When is the Republic Day?
January 26th, sir. January 26th.
Year? Year.
January 26th, sir.
Year.
January
Year.
26th, sir.
What is the year? Date is fine. Year.
Year 1947, sir. 1950, sir.
Republic
1947, sir.
Independence Day year is fine.
1950.
1950.
1947, sir.
47 for independence, not for Republic Day. So 26
Yes.
January is 1.
1950, sir.
19,
26 January, sir.
yes, done.
Sir, can you cite, please? Sir, not your. Sir, where are you, sir?
I'm here. What do you want?
Not.
I'm here only in front of you exactly. You have to copy this, so I'm standing a little aside.
Sir, over, sir. Sir, not over, sir.
Christmas. Christmas for this year.
25th December, sir.
26th December.
25th
25th December, sir.
25th December. For current year, they are asking 2021. Every year it comes on 25th only. Noon, before 12 noon, morning times is always AM, anti-meridian. That is before midday. Afternoon are called PM. Afternoon, after 12 o'clock to midnight is everything is called PM. Okay. After 12 o'clock, everything is PM. Afternoon, 3:30 means 3:30 PM. What about 6 o'clock evening? How to write this? 6 PM. Parents, please don't talk in between the class.
Okay.
I don't understand why parents are talking. Class అయిపోయింది the beta. What is the nonsense? When class is going on, how can they talk?
Class open the
10 o'clock in the morning. Morning 10 o'clock.
Correct. Sir.
10? 10 a.m.
The board is not empty, sir. We can't see.
Is not coming, sir.
Yes, sir.
What happened?
Right, sir.
Sir.
Not complete, sir.
Sir.
The board is not clear.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Our body is not
Check your net connection. Check your net connection.
clear, sir.
Check your net connection. It is clear for someone, not clear for someone means check net connection. Maybe your internet may be weak. 7:30 in the morning. 7:30 in the morning means 7:30 a.m. Morning times means AM. Afternoon timings means PM. Try these two at home.
Sir, show work.
Yeah. only-
Sir, you write you 4 questions and you write 6 and 8, sir. You write 7 and
6 o'clock in the morning, 8 o'clock in the night.
No attempt. My condensing is not no attempt.
It's 2 o'clock in the
Sir,
morning.
body is
2 o'clock
not
at night.
coming, sir. Manja. Samarte malchappu.
Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Why you are shouting? Some idiot is shouting since the beginning. You have to maintain silence in the class. You're not supposed to disturb the class. If your answer is done, keep quiet. If you want to talk to me, just in the chat box, you have to message. Don't shout in the class. I will share the video. If any doubts are there, if any pending questions are there, you can do it. I will share the worksheet as a homework because I gave only 2 questions here. Many questions are there. I will share the worksheet. Please do it. In the next class, we are going to start the identification of the time by looking at the wall clock. I have told you, ask your parents and if possible, try to learn them because you know, by looking at the watch, what you can say now, what is the time? Now it is 9:40 cross. So it is 9:40 a.m. So how 9:40, how to identify by looking at the watch? There is a minute hand, hour hand, how to identify timings. All this we discuss in the coming class. Today I discussed the direct questions, easy questions which are known to you. Next class we are going to start the real circles. Okay. So see you in the next class.